In this video I'll show you how I like to use the spear. Before I used to use the katana for countering the sniper shots, auto shot, especially from mobile players, but now the spear is better, I believe. With the spear you can attack someone by holding the spear. You can also throw the spear. You have 3 spears. If you throw them all, then you can't use the spear anymore. And when you throw the spear in the walls, you can also use it as a way to jump. So you can use it in a way like the jump pad or the subspace rip mine. You can throw the spear pretty far, but I don't think it's very accurate. It does about 50 damage when you throw it and it hits. And this is the nicest way. You can make some kind of stairs like that, and it's really, you jump really high with it. The jump you get, it's pretty much almost the same as the subspace strip mine if you have them stuck like this. And maybe if I was going to put one even higher, I could jump even higher from that. And yeah, there is also, I noticed something, if there are spears in the walls around and the players are moving around, it's uncomfortable to move. It makes you stuck for a moment, so that could be used also to make someone in a way like the travel, like to make a structure to block someone from going somewhere. So that would be very interesting with the spear. Yeah. So I just throw it like this. This is only to try it, but you see you can jump on the spear and you can actually shoot at the opponent from the air like you're using a subspace strip mine. The thing is that here you can reuse the spear, not like the subspace strip mine, or it's more like the jump pad. The jump pad is more powerful because it gives you more abilities. You see I did 50 damage by throwing the spear. And if you miss, that's it, you lose the spear. I wish there was a way to pick the spear up back and to take it back. Maybe that should be a nice thing to add. Maybe it makes it too powerful, I'm not sure. Maybe, yeah. But there are some really creative ways you can use the spear to jump around on the map. It has so many ways you could use the spear. It's a pretty nice weapon. I got this by playing a lot of games from the season pass. In the season pass you level up until you reach the spear. When you get the spear you can get keys, tickets, skin tickets, but the spear is it's a pretty good option. It takes a lot of games to play to get the spear, but it's worth it, I believe. Thanks for watching.